That's a dead body. Fuck that. So we're at 27.30 feet. And as you can see, the parking lot is getting pretty deep. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Got a major pile up of debris on the railroad pylon. That looks like Keith's fat ass floating down the river. Yeah. On an inner tube. Having a really good time. There's a half a tree. That's kind of neat. But yeah, we're up 2 feet. 27.30. And like I said, the parking lot's... Oh shit, I'm not even gonna be able to ride down there. Those friggin' dicks got my route in and out blocked. You bitches. Wow. And you got that. But if I can get down there, we'll see if it's going up into the bottom level of the parking lot. Awesome stuff here. Yeah. So you can see it's really, really flooded over there. Pretty awesome shit. Oh, check this out. Major flotsam. Major tree floating down river. Indians would call that him floats a lot. See you in a bit. Are we recording? Yes. Thought that would be kind of a cool view. Look at that shit. Alrighty. Can I do a camera rant? You guys mind if I do a camera rant? Oh, hot chick, how you doing? Last night, I took 2 cameras out. I took the Garmin Verbal 8 and the Drift Ghost. And it was dark. But it was thundering and lightning, and it was awesome shit. I've already got that video up. And I shot 3 hours of video with both cameras. The Garmin, like it always does, it performed flawlessly. But that fucking drift ghost, I won't even post it. It's that bad. The video quality sucked that bad. It was digitalized. It was shit. So, those of you that are the big drift fans, let me tell you right now, once again, do not use your drift at night because the video quality sucks. But that's just me. Alright, we had 5 inches of rain in 3 hours last night. And then after that we had a little break, and then another one came in, and we got 2 more inches of rain. So we had 7 inches of rain right here where I'm riding. These streets were flooded, and I mean that literally. And we're in a flood warning. So currently, I'm not even metal detecting because I'm afraid if I stick the shovel in the ground, with the water table being so high, that it's going to flood. Hey, check it out. On the Rebel. Another one on a trailer. In a truck. It made the Chevy break down. Come on. You forgot to tape it off. Get that on security. Yep, no lower level today. Look at that. Look at that. That's a whole fucking tree. Look at this. Look at this water all the way up here, yo. Yesterday I was jumping this shit. Here we are, right by the river, yo. I wonder where the damn waves are coming from. Look at these waves coming in. No fishing, God damn it. Can't fish here. I tell you what this is. This is a storm surge coming in. That's where these waves are coming from. Are we recording? Yes. Yep. There we go. I always thought that would be kind of a cool view.
Are we recording? Yes.
There we go. I always thought that would be kind of a cool view. Look at that shit. So let's see, that is probably 2.5 feet deep under there. Remember, I used to ride right next to those concrete things? Yep, not no more, yo. That river has an awesome amount of power. Uh-oh, here comes another boat. You got to be fucking nuts out there. That's Coast Guard though. What the fuck is he doing? Yeah.
I've been looking at the 1200. My buddy's got one.
Better not get the water cooled one.
Why?
Read up on the internet.
Really? The water cooled aren't that good?
They're having issues, just like I had with this. I bought this the first year it came out in the States.
Yeah.
This is a Surteo. And I ride year round.
Yeah.
And anything below freezing, the crankcase ventilation, there's a hose that goes up to the airbox. It froze. Blew the valve cover 5 times now.
Damn.
So they rerouted it. This last time it took them 2 months to fix it.
Yeah.
So they rerouted it closer to the engine, and I guess they think that's going to work. You think that is Coast Guard?
You know, I don't know, man. I don't know, what, you got 3 on there or 2?
Probably just 2.
You're going pretty good.
You got to have a lot of balls to be out in that shit. Look at all that debris. Look at that over there. That's like a whole tree.
Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty nasty right now. Sure.
Yeah, I thought buying a BMW was the way to go because of the reliability.
Yeah.
I don't think they have it anymore.
Well, I ride an ST, Honda ST, and you know, it's sport-touring, and I like it, but my buddy bought one of those new 1200s, and he's liking it so far, but he hadn't had it that long, you know. So, what do you got here? What's down here? Just carrying?
That's my tool tube. Carries my tire irons for changing tubes and stuff. Because I run tubes in this because it's off-road.
Oh, yeah. down here? Is that just a camera mount?
Up on that plate?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a fork stabilizer, and then I also have a camera mount for GoPro Hero 3s.
riding, don't you?
Yeah,
Good.
lots and lots of riding.
Well, I wasn't sure what that was.
And instead of paying the big dollars for the aluminum cans,
Yeah.
I use ammo cans.
That's what those are?
Yeah.
Shit,
So I used to have before this I had a 2009 KLR 650.
yeah.
And man, you do anything the cheapest way you can on those, and so I thought I'll do the same thing on the BMW.
Hell yeah.
The dealer don't like it, but I don't really care what the dealer thinks. Oh, thank you.
Well, you have a good day and be safe.
Yep, just got to go over there and shoot the flooding underneath. On the lower level, I see it's flooded already.
Oh, there's a place right over there.
No, I'm talking about the parking lot.
Oh, okay.
You want to see something neat? Go over to the parking garage, go all the way to the top. Take a view of the river from there.
What do you do that?
You pretty much sort of almost go all the way back out and then stay to the right,
Okay.
which will be your left once you get going that way,
Okay.
and you'll find the road, and you can't miss it.
Top of the parking garage.
Yeah, it's excellent view, especially if you got a camera.